Swing you want, swing you get.
Back Stevie, come to tell you sometime. In a life, when you're in a relationship and you see other people do them thing, don't run up and don't follow because I know everything for everybody. Me remember one time me and my cat in this nice relationship and I tell her I said the relationship feel like it boring and we need to spice it up. She said spice it up with what? I tell her a swing. She said no. I said yeah man, try it man. We should try it because we need spice up in our relationship. So alright, boom, we got the swing party now. I'm see one catty will look good. I'm say yo, that one them I want. Zine? Alright. And then I look on her man and you know, I say that nigga look like, you know, make me think I'm not gonna do my girl no. Zine? The swinging star go on now. And I see the man, like man I deal with my catty away dog. And I couldn't focus. We couldn't focus on fit him Ubad because but then I watch my Ubad. It'll be like she not enjoy the thing too much. And the thing just started up. And the man I deal with me can't see no my youth. But I bash her up in the dog and be over there. I can't get nothing for go on because I never ready dog. So the man I pick up my girl dog. I be right in there balling my youth. But I didn't even rush in my youth. Yo. And the man I haul a finger, you know, man she click it. We never ready dog, we never ready. Me get mad when I tell me get mad, but I run in the room and push my other big girl dog. Because I couldn't do that with female, because I couldn't focus. I know dog, I buy girl, I love it little dog. Man, mash. I did the man bury me dog, the man bury me dog. I believe he get to kill for him girl. And the man deal with my girl, oh yeah, she go look at me and say, you want it to spice things up? Okay, this is spicing things up. Look at me and say, I'm glad you have my idea this. I couldn't take it now. But I broke up with her right next day now because Jaro. And then the next day she come look at me like, don't never go on. The moral of that story is sometimes when you're not ready for certain things, just don't jump in it dog. Just don't do it because you don't know when the outcome might bring. Oh no dog.